One of the coolest experiences is that we have a variety of visitors that come to look at art and stay to take classes with us. Hi, I'm Sylvia Romero at First Coast Cultural Center, and we're a must-do experience in Ponte Vedra. We are now located in Ponte Vedra Beach in the Sawgrass Village Shopping Center. What makes us unique here in Ponte Vedra Beach is that we are the only kind of arts educational facility right in the middle of downtown Jacksonville and downtown St. Augustine. We have exhibitions and speaker series and art classes for children, music classes for children and adults. We have events, we have musical performances, and anybody can come at any time and enjoy art on the walls, showcasing a variety of artists throughout the year, which is open and free to the public at all times. The best way to find out about what we have to offer at First Coast Cultural Center is to go to our website, which is our name, firstcoastculturalcenter.org, and you can sign up to receive our newsletter. Another must-do experience I would recommend is visiting Pesca Villano. Chef Michael Lugo offers a beautiful rooftop dining experience with Latin and Caribbean flavors. First Coast Cultural Center is a perfect place for you and your family to come visit and be engaged through the arts.